In a coal mining area, precision and surface stability are essential. Here, a Komatsu D85E Bulldozer is working carefully near the road embankment, leveling overburden material to ensure a smooth and safe hauling route for heavy trucks. Every movement of the blade is calculated, distributing loose soil evenly while maintaining the proper slope near the edge of the embankment. This process helps prevent erosion and strengthens the protective barrier along the transport road. The D85E continues its steady pace, compacting and refining the surface. Its powerful engine and durable track system provides stability even on uneven terrain. In mining operations, this step is vital, ensuring that all hauling roads remain reliable under heavy daily use. With the task complete, the bulldozer leaves behind a well-shaped, secure embankment area. Each operation like this contributes to safer and more efficient mining logistics across the entire site.